Okay, I think we're ready, Larry. Are you ready? Yeah? You ready? Okay, so in this video, what I'm going to show you is simulate a mouse click using Dojo. All right. So basically, we're going to leave off where or we're going to start where we left off in the previous version. What's that? Yeah? We're going into it right now. All right. And what? What'd you say? You keep talking when I'm talking. Why don't you wait till I stop talking? Okay. So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to put a new action in here called a click, with a CSS3 selector as the target. And down here in our script statement, our play steps method, all right, we're going to go ahead and we're implement a click me function on the click action. So let's go ahead and run this and see what it does right now. So we're going to run it, Larry. So we can see it clicks there. And then it types. There you go. What are you doing? What are you doing over there? Huh? What is that? Why is your foot up? So if we go to the click me method, let's go ahead and take a look at it. So we require Dojo and FX and query, which is basically what we're going to be using. And we go to see if there is a destination before we attempt to do anything. So if it's null, or the query set returns 0 entries, we won't use it. You like it? You like that, Larry? Okay. And then we get a handle to our cursor, and then we call the FX animate function. Yeah, it's interesting, isn't it? But the really interesting thing is we call it twice. So in the FX animate property function, in the on-end, we go ahead and we call the click method, but then we animate again. So let's go ahead and watch it and see what these two animations are. All right, Larry? I don't know what you're saying over there. You're like mumbling tonight. Okay, let's run this. So it moves down there. Okay, so the first animation is to basically shrink it down to 42. So we're taking the width and shrinking it from 50 to 42. And then we're taking the height and going from 50 to 42. And then we call click, and we call animate property again. But this time, we now start at 42 and we end at 50. So that gives us the moving up and down type of look and feel. Right, Larry? And then when this animation is complete, we'll go ahead and increment the cue and play the next step. Are you waving at me? Hey, Larry, say hello. Hi. Can you say hi? All right. Actually, he's kind of distracting. Yeah, you are. So what I want to do is I'm going to actually modify the script to click after each panel has been moved to. So let me copy and paste this line. And we'll put that there. And we're going to change this to panel 1. And then we'll just go ahead and copy and paste this line. No, there's no 4. And then we'll make it panel 2. And then the last one we'll make panel 3. And we'll save that, and we'll go ahead and run it. So it goes down there, it clicks, types, moves up here, clicks again, moves, clicks, moves, and clicks. So that's it, Larry. Yep, you like it? You like it? Nope. Okay, so that's this tutorial. Basically, it's a double animate property method call to give the cursor the pressing effect. And you can actually change the parameters on here. You could put like a duration if you want it to go faster or slower. Thank you. I'm the man. But I just took the defaults, and it seems to get my point across of emulating a click. So once again, thank you for watching. If you like this video, if you like Larry, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow my blog at codebylarry.com. And thank you for watching.